Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Did you know that even though Hilton Head Island boasts a gorgeous subtropical climate, warmed year-round by the Gulf Stream, its weather can be surprisingly quick to change. Rain showers here are often brief and can pop up unexpectedly. But guess what? That absolutely doesn't mean your amazing island day has to be a washout. In fact, a little rain can unlock a whole different kind of Hilton Head adventure. That's right. Today, we're diving into why a rainy day in Hilton Head is far from a vacation spoiler. Instead of hiding away, we're going to show you why it's the perfect opportunity to explore some of the island's fantastic indoor attractions and create some truly unique memories. We've all been there, right? You've got your beach towel ready, sunscreen applied, and then the clouds roll in. It's a classic vacation dilemma. The common thinking is that rain automatically equals ruined plans, especially in a place famous for its stunning outdoor beauty. The challenge then becomes, what on earth do you do when the sunshine takes a temporary break and going outside just isn't appealing? Do you just sit in your hotel room feeling disappointed? Absolutely not. Hilton Head has a secret stash of fun just waiting for those drizzly days. Hilton Head is packed with amazing indoor options. Here are just a few ideas. Delve into history and nature at the fascinating Coastal Discovery Museum. If you're traveling with little ones, the Sandbox Children's Museum offers hours of interactive fun. Unleash your inner artist at the Art Cafe with some paint-your-own pottery. Design your own custom-scented candle as a perfect souvenir at Sea Love Candle Bar and Boutique. Catch a play or musical performance at the renowned Arts Center of Coastal Carolina. Experience an evening of smooth tunes and fine dining at the Jazz Corner. Get ready for laughs at the Comedy Magic Cabaret, offering funny not filthy entertainment. See the latest blockbuster at Park Plaza Cinema or Northridge Cinema. Challenge your friends and family at an escape room. Browse the unique local shops and boutiques in Coligny Plaza or Shelter Cove Town Center. Indulge in a tasting experience at the Hilton Head Distillery or Island Winery. Have some high-energy fun at arcades like Adventure Cove or Atomic VR, or simply unwind with a relaxing spa treatment. I've heard so many stories from visitors who initially felt a bit down when they saw rain in the forecast, only to discover an unexpected gem of an activity. Imagine this. A family, initially set on a beach day, stumbles upon the Art Cafe or Sea Love candle making. What started as a way to pass the time turns into an afternoon of laughter, creativity, and a set of hand-painted pottery or a uniquely scented candle that become treasured keepsakes, far more unique than a simple seashell. Or a couple, thinking their romantic walk on the beach is off, discovers a captivating show at the Arts Center or a hilarious comedian at the Comedy Magic Cabaret, creating a whole new memory. These are the moments where a change in plans leads to something wonderfully unexpected and often even more memorable. It's about embracing the moment and seeing where the island leads you, rain or shine. So, as you can see, a rainy day in Hilton Head doesn't mean a wasted day. From museums and live entertainment to creative studios and fun-filled arcades, there's a surprising amount of adventure to be had indoors. The key is to embrace it. What are your favorite rainy day activities when you're on vacation? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're planning a trip to Hilton Head or just want to see more of what this incredible island has to offer, be sure to check out our other video on the top outdoor attractions in Hilton Head. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips.